Right now I am holding the Cartier Ballon Bleu gents piece. You know, I think I get a lot of requests for this for ladies, and a lot of people love the Ballon Bleu as ladies. I don't see a whole lot of gentlemen looking for this piece, and I think that should change, to be honest with you, because it's just one of the coolest watches. You know, men are typically looking for larger diameter watches, and I think this one really fits the bill if you kind of look at it next to the wrist. I mean, it's really got a substantial size. This is the chronograph, and I like the layout on this because this isn't something you typically see. It's got the date wheel on the left-hand side of the 9 o'clock, and I think that's a really neat feature. On top of the part where you'll notice that this one actually, it is a chronograph, but it doesn't have a 12-hour it doesn't have a 12-hour register, which I think is fine. How many people are typically actually going to be, you know, timing anything past 30 minutes or so? So I think this is a perfectly functional watch. On top of that, you get your elegant leather alligator strap here with your folding clasp. It's a really sweet design, very adjustable, very situationally perfect for you. Come check this out at SwissWatchExpo.com.